My name is Sam Hill, I'm from Manchester, England, and I'm about to embark on a month-long expedition to the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. So on my trip I will begin with some scuba diving, then I will take part in some community work in the camps. But then after this, and most importantly, I will be heading to Batu Pete jungle. Here I will follow a reforestation scheme in an area which has been sadly destroyed as a result of palm oil collection. And then after this I'll be heading to Sepilock Orangutan Sanctuary, which is a place where orphaned orangutans are taken in and grown by the staff into healthy adults. Hello Viridian, so I'm back and I've just finished my reforestation programme in Batu Pete jungle, and I'm now in the Sepilock Orangutan and Sunbear Sanctuary. Unfortunately I was not able to see any orangutans in the wild, in the jungle, and I guess that says something about the population that's left over. However, if you think about it, if it wasn't for all these hard-working people and all the great places that are set up like Sepilock here, who knows what the orangutan population would be like. Through my experience of the reforestation programme and this tour of Sepilock here, I feel like I've opened up a new area of knowledge and I'm much more aware of the effects of palm oil has on our beautiful animal planet.